Coach, welcome once again.
Thank you, Steve.
Coach, we traveled to the capital, a place that we last won our last away game. How prepared are you and your team?
Yeah, very prepared. After our last game that we played, we've tried to have a recovery session. Unfortunately, we have to be on the road the following day, so there's still an element of stress in terms of fatigue within the players. But then we have to be ready for the game on Wednesday and play. So we are ready in terms of what we have to offer on the field. Tactically, we are ready. If you look at Accra Lions, they are a very good side. As at now, they are not in a good standing on the league log, so they look more motivated to play and win, to be able to get themselves out of where they are now. We are also very determined to play and win. So if you look at our position on the league log and you look at their position, whilst they are trying to stay out of relegation, we are also trying to compete for the league title. So it's going to be a close game, a very interesting game in terms of who wins.
Coach, your trips away have always ended in draw games, which tells your team is difficult to beat us if you're not winning. How do you want to turn this 1-1?
Sure, I've told the players that as far as our contention for the league title is concerned, we need to try as much as possible to win on the road. We've had a lot of talks on that, and they are ready for that because it's the wins on the road that will help us to stay in key position for the league. So as far as engaging them is concerned, we've spoken at length. Ghana Premier League, playing on the road when you are playing away is very difficult. Difficult to play away in the Ghana Premier League. So it's a sort of a mental thing that I'm trying to get into the mindsets of the players that they need to try and go the extra mile to be able to get us the point. So we are ready.
Coach, this is a side that is struggling, battling with relegation. How difficult is it to come up against a side? Especially when you want to win the league.
Yeah, it's a challenge because all over the world it's a challenge when teams are battling relegation and they are playing against teams that are also contending for the title. It's always a challenge because they want to win and get out of relegation. So they come in, they double their effort or they triple their effort physically, mentally. They do everything possible to be able to get the maximum points. So we have to go in 2 times or 3 times, whatever physical efforts or mental efforts or mental orientations they come into the game with. We have to go 2 times or 3 times their effort to be able to get the win. It's all about the mindset for now because in terms of the structure, how we have to play defensively and offensively, I think it's not an issue for now, but it's about the mindset, the ability to go the extra mile when you are playing against relegation threatening teams. It's all about the mindset, and we are working on them gradually to be able to get it sink deep into their minds so that they can deliver.
Coach, we thank you very much and wish you well for your trip.
Welcome, Steve.